Good morning. So, if things look a little different, I just got a camera, like a proper one, so I'm not using my phone anymore. I would show you, but my phone is charging. That's not important right now. What is important is what I'm doing for this video. I'm going to be crocheting again. No one likes it, but that's okay. I enjoy it. I'm going to be following a 1970s crochet pattern. If I can do the thing, there will be a photo of what the pattern looks like about here-ish. You know, it's supposed to be a light and fairly simple little top for, you know, the warmer months, which we're in, and I hate it. Oh my god, I cannot stand the heat. But, yeah, I'm gonna go crochet and have fun crocheting because I like crocheting. So, I got my chain done. The pattern says we're working with 2 strands of cotton. So I've got two big ol' skeins of cotton floss, yarn, string, cotton string, and I'm working them together, like so. And I'm just gonna show you what the pattern says to do. Ugh. Okay, back. So I got all of my double crochets. Stop spinning, please. Got all my double crochets and my one little chain. And now the pattern says single crochet in the first, skip next 3. Okay. So we're gonna go to the first crochet and single crochet, and then we skip 1, 2, 3, and then go 1, 2, 3, chain, and then 3 more. It's 1, 2, 3. That's how many licks it takes to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop. There we go. That's our first shell. Isn't that pretty? It's gonna look even nicer when it's like a whole bunch of shells. And then in skip 3. Okay, so from here on out, I'm going to be skipping 1, 2, 3 and working 3 double crochets, a chain, and then 3 more double crochets. And you can see how it's starting to look now. Shells are really good as like decorative stitches too, so like if you make a blanket or something, you can add some shells around the edge, and you have this really pretty little finishing touch. All right, I'm gonna, keep working on this. I will get back to you in a bit and show you my progress. It's mostly gonna be making shells for a good long while. Okay. Ignore that corner. That's kind of my crafting space over there. But what I want to talk about is this. So, as you can see, I've gotten the bulk done, which was so many shells. And I just decided I would do the little center sides while I was at it and just get that done. So we have one side that has single crochets and then the other side called for double crochets. And I'm not entirely sure why, but I'm following the directions, so this pattern knows, I guess. So yeah, I got that done. And now I have to do the bottom ruffle, which is going to be more shells, and then the top ruffle, which will be even more shells, and then the straps, a tie, and I have some ribbon that's supposed to go with this. So like, there's no buttons, so that's nice. But even if there were buttons, when you crochet, you can just use like a double crochet as like your buttonhole, which is pretty convenient and pretty nice. So yeah, let's get back to crocheting shells. Okay, so I messed up a little bit. I decided I would try to get one sleeve finished so I could show you before starting the other one. And as I was working on the sleeve, I realized something very important. I messed up. So they want like a lacy ruffle, and I thought I misread something, and I thought it was like these shell ruffles. I don't know why my voice just cracked right there, but that's okay. So this is not how it's supposed to look, and I am going to have to rip all of this out and redo it. Luckily, that's not too difficult. Crochet is very forgiving for things like this. It just means that I have like another day's worth of work. So I'm going to hold off on this, at least finish the sleeve, and then rip out my shells along here and redo it so it looks more like these ones. I should have enough thread in there to do that. Okay, goodbye. So I'm very unhappy with this. It is both too small and too big on me. Like, I've got this much room, and it makes no sense. This pattern made doesn't work for me, and that's okay. You know, I like the shells. I think they're really pretty. I like the style of like top. I think that's really cute too, but this pattern just isn't working. And it feels like as I was working on it, anything that could go wrong did, and yeah, I just don't like this. It's uncomfortable for me to be wearing this right now. Like, I tried showing it off, but like, I'm just uncomfortable. I'm so uncomfortable in this, and it happens, you know, sometimes you make a thing and it just doesn't work. And this one just didn't work for me. I will still link the pattern. I think if you want to try it, you should. It's cute. I might try to do something like this later. You know, in a few years, when I've gotten over how this pattern has betrayed me. But yeah, other than that, I like crocheting. It gave me something to do for a few nights. That's about it for me. I like this cotton. I think it's cute. It's comfortable. It's soft enough. And I think it could make a really, really cute thing. But I'm going to, you know, just rip it all apart. Ooh, hello. Amadeus decided he wasn't in this video enough. Yeah, I'm gonna rip this blouse apart, make it into something else. If you enjoy watching me, you know, attempt to make things, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Consider subscribing and leaving a like and a comment maybe if you want. Yeah. I'll see you in a couple weeks.